If you are not aware of GDPR, then you should be, because it could cost you a lot of money and perhaps even your business. GDPR stands for General Data Protection Regulation, and it will become law in all EU countries on the 25th of May 2018. It affects all companies who are handling personal data regardless of their size, including all MGAs, agents, brokers and insurance companies. There are no exceptions. Non-compliance with GDPR will have severe consequences for you. If you are found to be in breach, the supervisory authority can stop you processing your customer data, or they can impose massive fines, up to 4% of your annual revenue or €20 million, whichever is bigger. Also, your customers can sue you if you are in breach of their GDPR rights. GDPR is serious, and you need to be doing something about it now. GDPR is legally binding, and therefore, if you are processing personal data, you must comply with it. GDPR states that personal data means any information relating to an individual that can be used directly or indirectly to identify that person. In the documentation, they mention identifiers such as name, identification number, location data and online details and factors specific to the physical, genetic, mental, cultural, economic or social identity of the person. GDPR Article 4 defines processing as any operation or set of operations which are performed on personal data, whether or not by automated means, meaning that GDPR applies equally to paper-based processing as it does to processing using systems. Processing covers a broad range of activities including collection, storage, adaptation or alteration, consultation, use, retrieval, erasure and disclosure by transmission. This series of short videos will give you an insight into your GDPR obligations. However, they are not a definitive guide, and you will need to get a professional assistant to advise you on how GDPR will affect your business and what measures you need to take to comply with the regulations.